Now, there's a big relief in store for depositors in stressed banks. The cabinet has cleared a bill wherein bank depositors will get 5 lakh insurance on their deposits within 90 days in case of a moratorium. 98.3% of all deposits will be covered. That's what the government has said.
Some relief for thousands of customers of banks like PMC, whose accounts were frozen when the bank was placed under moratorium in September 2019. In a relief to depositors of banks that either collapsed or faced financial frauds, the Union Cabinet now cleared amendments in the Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation Act. Depositors will now get an insurance of Rs 5 lakh, an increase from a current guarantee of 1 lakh rupees on their total deposits, and this will be within 90 days of the affected bank getting placed under moratorium.
Within 90 days, the process will be definitely completed, and not waiting for the eventual liquidation. If that process takes, let's say, 3 years, 4 years, we are not waiting for that. This clearance now, therefore, is going to give relief for all those institutions which have already come under moratorium.
According to the proposed amendments, Cabinet has cleared the bill, and this is like a relief for customers of frozen banks. New bill proposes a payout increase of 5 lakh rupees from a current 1 lakh rupees. Insurance payout will be within 90 days. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Bill 2021 to be tabled, and it will cover 98.3% of all deposit accounts and 50.9% in value. However, people with deposits much higher than the 5 lakh insurance limit are not satisfied.
Government has announced a 5 lakh of insurance for PMC depositors, which is not enough against the deposits we have with the banks. I would request the government to reconsider it, as it is COVID times and it's our hard-earned money.
ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से इज अ गुड इनिशिएटिव और इससे काफ़ी लोगों को उनके पैसे भी मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन उनका क्या, जिनके डिपॉजिट 5 लाख 10 लाख 15 लाख 20 लाख उससे ज़्यादा हैं, मुझे लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट को इनके बारे में भी कुछ सोचना चाहिए.
With this, the government aims to provide a solution to those customers who do not have access to their funds for a longer period of time because of the moratorium. But customers who have larger sum of amount deposited are not really happy and want government to give them a stronger solution. In Mumbai with camera person Ashok Mahadik, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.